1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 49, 50, 51, 52, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Woohoo, fans! Post-Hurricane Milton, Tabata pull-up, active rest challenge with jump squats, 4 minutes total, 8 times 20 seconds. For the pull-ups, 8 times 10 seconds. For the jump squats, 52 reps. For the pull-ups, alternating shoulder grip and wide grip for 20 seconds. And then 53 reps for the jump squats. Woo, new challenge. Post-Hurricane Milton. Everything is alive and well here. Thanks for watching. Catch me again soon. Then immediately after, I went into a running workout and no super shoes.
Hurricane Milton blew in bluebirds.